Today, let's take a look at SharkBite's 1-inch ball shutoff valve. Now these are my favorite style of shutoffs for your main lines. I think these are great because they got a nice big handle on them and you can really crank on them if you have to. Some of the other styles out there that have little tiny handles are a lot harder to use, and over time sometimes they seize up a little bit, so you need a tool. This has a nice handle on it, it's rubber coated, and it's perfect. So this is a 1-inch PEX style crimp. Just to show you what 1-inch pipe looks like is right here. This is a special pipe for direct burial for a main water line. You just put these on like that, put your ring on, and then you need large 1-inch crimpers like these SharkBite crimpers right here to crimp that on. Typically in a house, you'll have 1-inch feeding the house, and then after that, you would adapt down to 3/4 and then to 1/2 inch to feed all of your appliances. These are perfect because they're a ball valve, so inside, if you can see inside of there, as you turn this, you can actually slow the flow down as well if you wanted to, so you don't have to just crank it right on. You can slow that flow down a bit, and when it's off, it's off. So these are brass fitting, they're really nice. SharkBite makes great tools and great fittings. I love them. Remember, this is a crimp style, not the typical SharkBite press-on style, so you do need crimpers. All right guys, I hope the video was helpful. Until next time, keep on crushing it, and we'll catch you later.